Let's start with Hive. It's a first session of Hive. It's very easy to learn. After all the sessions of Hive you will surely say it was very easy to learn, like drinking a glass of water. Do you know why Hive got famous? Hive makes big data easier to learn. Programmer or non-programmer can easily learn the Hive. Only just the basic knowledge of SQL is required, as most of the syntax are related to SQL. In Hive it's known as HQL, which is Hive Query Language. Even Spider-Man can easily learn the Hive, only if he knows the basic of SQL. Below are the topics which we'll cover in this video session. First is, what is Hive? Second is, why Hive is used. Let's start. Hive is an open source technology. It's used to analyze the structure and semi-structured data. Do you know structured data? Relational databases are known as structured data. Do you know semi-structured data? XML-like data files are known as semi-structured data. And the analysis can be done through HQL. We all are curious to know about the origin of Hive. Earlier Facebook was using the relational databases. But time to time data was increasing rapidly. Facebook was generating about 20 to 25 terabytes of data on daily basis for analysis, and that was able to happen within few minutes, which was not able to handle through relational databases. That's why Facebook created the Hive. Later that project was handovered to Apache, which is known as Apache Hive. That's all about to Apache Hive Introduction. Subscribe the Beyond Corner YouTube channel to learn the latest technologies with simple and short videos, which will help to grow your career. Hope you enjoyed the session. Let's see you in next session.